Here at Apprentice, we've built out what we call the Tempo Manufacturing Cloud, which is one platform to turn molecules into medicine. But really think about it as the backbone piece of software to power manufacturing. Whether they're creating a cancer therapeutic or a COVID vaccine or these new cutting-edge CAR-T or CRISPR therapies, we orchestrate the people, the process, the equipment, the materials in the factory as these drugs are being made and being raced out to billions of patients around the world. So life sciences is going through some pretty big changes. As we move from pills to biologics to personalized medicine, we believe that this industry is going through a bit of a renaissance moment right now, and the future of human health is going to look radically different 10 years from now than it does today. So we think that Apprentice is going to have a very big impact on this industry, and we have a big target in mind. By the end of this decade, we want to be able to shepherd 75% of the world's drugs coming to market. And if we can do that, we believe that we're going to have an impact here for not only our customers, but the patients that they serve. And it's one of these things where the sense of fulfillment is remarkably high because of what our software is being used for. It's something that really touches a human being's life, and that's something that we take huge pride in here at Apprentice.